Hi, this is Barb Smed with Keller Williams Legacy Group, and I want to give you a tour of this raised ranch home in Lansing, Iowa. We are at 275 Knolls Street, and this home was put up in 2012. It's a three-bedroom, three-bathroom home with the bedrooms on the upper level and then a finished family room on the lower level. Built in 2012. It's a really great kitchen here with updated appliances, open living plan. It's a dining area. The master bedroom has a great closet with all the dividers already in place. Hall just off the living room and dining room area. This would be on the upper level. There's two bedrooms here and a full bed. This is a room that enters, you can enter from right off of the garage. So living room area down here. There is a storage room. There's a half bath on this level, and here's access to the garage. As you can see, it is room here for not only the vehicles, but extra workspace and storage. And if you're looking for a place to hang out and relax, look no further than this cute little spot.